Since I was born till now, I have never feel pain the same way I feel it. Yesterday made me to ask myself, why am I Igbo? Why am I created as Igbo? Why am I created as Igbo? Please, if I have said anything wrong to some people, knowing and unknowingly, I just say, should God forgive. I've realized that the only people that have concern in Igbo is the middle class. It's only the middle class that have concern of what is happening to their people. The big fish, nobody cares. The elites, the governors, the senators, nobody cares. Maybe it's because maybe Nnamdi Kanu is not from their side. Maybe because Nnamdi Kanu is not from their side. I made a video some times ago that if Nnamdi Kanu is from Anambra State, he would have come out. I know what my people can do, but you see it. The betrayal of Igbo started in Anambra State. And I have to say it clearly. The betrayal of Igbo nation started in Anambra State. Right from Ojukwu. Who betrayed Ojukwu? Anambra man. Who betrayed Wazurike? Anambra person. Who betrayed Nnamdi Kanu? Uchemefo, Anambra person. Maybe because Nnamdi Kanu is fighting a just cause to deliver and to free every Igbo person from bondage. That is why he no consign a lot of Anambrans. He no consign a lot of Igbo billionaires. They keep on posting their business. They keep posting their business. No problem. I want to say sorry, please. If I have used some derogatory words on very dark man, I want to say sorry deep from my heart. It is yesterday I realized what you are saying. It's yesterday I realized what you are saying about our people. When you are saying it, I thought you are using them to chase clout. But it's clear to me, that my people are evil. My people are evil. Igbo billionaires are evil. Igbo elite are evil. Whosoever that is having hand on this evil will never depart from his family. Whosoever that have glorify evil, whosoever that glorify evil will not depart from his family. I don't want to call name, because when you do something to liberate your people, it's still an Igbo person that will pick up your video and say that you are defaming them. I don't want to call name. But I regret. I don't want to regret being an Igbo person. Look at this kind of kangaroo judgment placed on Nnamdi Kanu. He was sentenced on his absence. Who does that? Who does that? He was sentenced on his absence. Who does that? When Very Dark Man was saying that a lot of Igbo billionaires, that their hand is in this, I thought he was chasing clouds. I thought he was just a mere talk. But yesterday, that young man fight for Igbo. a young man fight for Igbo, he was everywhere shouting as if they sentenced his brother. I'll be alright. I have not eaten since yesterday. My wife gave me food. I've never feel, even when my mom died, I've never cried like this. I'm feeling for somebody I have never seen. The only time I set my eyes on Nnamdi Kanu was on court. Right from the day he was extradited from Kenya till date, I have been attending court cases. Unless I don't have money for flights to go to Abuja, I've been attending court cases from the day one. I've never felt for any man in my life like this. Even when my mother died, I only cried for one day. I buried my mother, but I have never felt so pain that my people are the cause of their what is happening to them. Everywhere is silence. Pastors are silenced, bishops are silenced, reverend fathers are silenced, prophets are silenced. Even when they are killing prophets, even when they are killing reverend fathers, even when they are burning and massacring people in the church, everywhere is silence. What is happening? What is happening? Are we still in this planet? What is happening? Maybe I don't know. I don't know. Everywhere is silence. Everybody is doing their normal business. Fulani bandits are being granted pardon. Gumi is walking around freely, negotiating with the bandits. A lot of terrorists. Their big army is guiding terrorists. Army in this country, police is guiding terrorists.